Reverend Fathers. I mean, some of those ones that are kind of, you know, doing some certain things on social media. I still have some friends who are Reverend Fathers, you know, on which sometimes we do argue a lot on WhatsApp. Yeah, we do argue a lot on WhatsApp. Regarding some of these things, we always post on social media. Regarding all of these things, I always talk about on social media. So I have lot of Reverend Father friends, you know. So a lot of them have been telling me to leave this issue, this and that, you know, a lot of things. But when you go through my comment section, when you go through, scroll through my inbox, you will shake your head, you know, in the sense that the people they are advising me to leave and move on, they are even the ones looking for my trouble. You know, I mean, when you even talk about this whole issue, I'm just doing my blogging as a blogger. I believe I have the right to speak about some trending issue in the society, and I also have the right to support whoever I want to support. And I also have the right to say whatever truth I feel like, okay, this is the truth surrounding this whole thing. You know, so I don't see any reason why I will make a video to point out some certain things, and in return, some group of people will come to my comment section and start insulting me, start dragging me, start threatening me, you know, and you are expecting me to just keep calm and accept whatever they said, or to bow under their pressure to kind of go with their own opinion or whatever that they think that is right. It's not possible. It's not. You know, matter of fact, when you look at all these things, they are even the one insulting Evangelist Ebuka, that is prophet of God. I have never insulted any man of God. I've never insulted Father Mbaka. I never call Father Mbaka thief. I never call Father Mbaka RNG. I never call Father Mbaka boy. I never call Father Mbaka whatever. But they are calling Evangelist Ebuka all those names. When you even talk about those that are abusing, they are the ones. You know? So sometimes I just want to tell some of these Reverend Fathers that are writing me, if you want to tackle this issue, you have to start from the grassroots. If not, no peace. You know? Yeah, Evangelist Ebuka don't know me, even though he don't know me. What's your business? I still have the right to talk about whatever I want to talk in social media. Be it entertainment, be it religious, be it whatever. Matter of fact, some of you idiots who open page and we are kind of ranting when the heat was very high, when we are trying to speak and defend Christianity 4-5 years ago, where were you all? I am the one with other people in front. None of you that are ranting now on social media or maybe active to talk about that diggy, mommy or whatever. Those of you that have started following me for a very long time, 5-6 years ago, you can attest what I'm saying. Then all between me, Ndidi and why Hana Atam, you know, it's me between Ndidi. Where were you all when we are kind of trying to even speak on behalf of Christianity? That Christianity we go do face on social media. When all of them and I rubbish Christianity. Now I see mimics on certain things. We are in the front trying to defend it. And now, because you have gained the ground, you think you can come to Facebook with your useless followers and talk where I'm talking. I saw some threatening me. I guess some of you don't know who I am. If you know me, you can't threaten me. You know? So the question I'm asking, all these people, because they told you guys, when you want to attack him on social media, do this, do that. You think you can use me to shine? Me? You in life. You think you can use me to shine? That if you come to my inbox and tell me and talk to me and how I leave you, I will drag you, drag your papa, drag your mama, drag your generation, join. I don't care. I don't think you are not a good Christian. I never said I'm a good Christian. I never even said that I'm a born again. You can say whatever you want to say about me. But what I know is that I'm not fighting for God. God has his own battle. I'm fighting for myself. Anybody that insults me, I'm going to insult the person back. And I still have the right to come on social media. I'm a blogger. To say whatever I want to say. Is it because most of you are familiar with me? Is it because most of you are familiar with me? Go and tell other bloggers that are posting now. Or is it because I always say whatever I want to say without looking at anybody's face? So what are you guys saying? Or you think I even care about those comments? I have been on this Facebook since 2009. So this 2025, come I better care about comment and people's opinion or threat. Matter of fact, some of you don't even know when I was, you know, doing my thing over there. Some of you knew me when I came here. Those that have been following me since know that when I was still back home, that was when I do things, I say things, I post, I blog. You can't believe I'm mad now here, no time. I'm just closing from work. Get time mad in him. And when I'm talking, you are talking. So if you see some of you name a blogger, that DI, and a kuku balloon and a when we started this whole thing, back to back, you can't even withstand the heat. You can't. Go and ask a lot of people, even this Zion first son. Go and ask him. That's the reason why he owned a married last time. I was trying to tell him, guy, you don't remember what we see? I be praise address home Zion and other people. Okay, mad in one attack back to back. 4, 5, 6 years ago, we are trying to defend all this. Oh God, all this native doctor, SMI, do everywhere, dragging, talking rubbish. And Keta, because if you in okay, Facebook, you will page you match chapter. When I'm talking, you are talking. If I give opinion, you counter it. Are you stupid? Me personally, go dangerous attack. Okay, cannot buy regarding all this thing when they try to fire those native doctors and there's a why rubbishing Christianity back to back. He still this evangelist Mbaka around too. He assisted in prayers and everything. That was the first time he took me to the altar. Get a watch chapter from nowhere because of nonsensical jealousy. A guru confusion everywhere. Some of you do because daddy, you can't even say the truth. I was discussing with one of the Reverend Father. I say Mbaka is only trying to correct some of the activities. I mean, some of the things Evangelist Mbaka. And I asked him this question: is he trying to correct some of the things or that he's trying to call him fake? Because he's too much in a row now. Or the correction corner corona fake indirectly. All these things are confusion. He couldn't even give me a straight answer. Is he trying to correct him, or this Father Mwebe Joy and others, are they trying to correct Evangelist Mbaka on certain words or some certain things? No question. Are they trying to correct him, or are they saying that he's fake? Because so ever I call this confusion naga. You know? All the ones who can the adoration, this one, that one. Look at their comments when they are writing about Evangelist Ebuka. Oh, arrange, fake, arrange. Anything will be fake, no go last. Who made them to believe that Evangelist Ebuka is fake? Meanwhile, that person knew that the Evangelist Ebuka is not fake. Is he trying to correct, or that he's calling him fake? Which one? You think I'm all those ones where they do February. Somebody say Evangelist Ebuka don't even know you. Yes, even though he doesn't know me, but my opinion and blogging activities have nothing to do with him. This is me doing my thing. You know, the same way we always analyze other issue that has to do with anybody is the same way I always analyze the issue that has to do with him and anybody. But you see, my problem with all this the father, all this clergy generally put on Facebook name Korobish regarding this thing is that when a lot of people were dragging Christianity, none of them said anything. We tried to even cheated the thing, and you came out from nowhere to talk rubbish. They see confusion. See, you know, my own is that I don't always care about who you are, because nobody they feed me. Double, I'm on live. I will call you back. I'm just closing from work. I saw your message. I'll call you back. Just give me a few minutes. I don't care who you are, and you can't underwrite me. Some people when can I say because of it has nothing to do with Canada. Those that knew me from day one know that one day, you know, if you tell me what to do, and you can't underwrite me, and you can't threat me. If you threat me, I'm gonna get buria. That's how I do my thing. If you like, call me a Christian. If you like, you call me or the possessed, or menka, or bunka. I don't care. On Sunday, that church, yes, nothing concern me. Gone are those days I make Christianity warrior me cage people. Cage others. You can't cage me with Christianity. You can't insult me. I expect me to take it. I will insult you back. You think I care? You know? So some of you should start saying the truth, regardless. If not, some of you want the father. If you want all these issues to stop on social media, you will tackle it from grassroots. If you can't talk to him direct, you guys organize yourself. We are not on social media. He's causing confusion. I will say it till tomorrow. He's causing confusion. You know? Because when he talk, people listen to him. Getting an essay. One idiot was showing me video where Father Mbaka or whatever was a kind of defending Evangelist Ebuka. I don't even have water. I should come back 1 million. I have water here. Was showing me a kind of video. Father Mbaka male Evangelist Ebuka Evangelist Ebuka for come on menka. The reason why, okay, the thing is that, you know, I'm not the type to comment on people's pages. It's hardly for you to see my comment on someone's pages. You know, if not, some of these people who post to a kind of video, I would have showed them the video of when Evangelist Mbaka was kneeling down begging Bishop when Father Mbaka was facing his own issue all hang out out. Most of them but out. Jekahaje for Pugeti Bishop. Most of them may claim good Christians. People na diha achoku. People na honsobu. Ndia ye. All had to fopu. Geti Bishop. Then all of them now they are the one insulting me. Even dragging my late mom. But I don't care. I don't care. Evangelist Mbaka was kneeling almost every program, begging Bishop. They didn't acknowledge that one. When Matthias Ebedima was dragging for Mbaka up and down, doing all sort of things, Evangelist Mbaka came out to warn him straight up. That is where Evangelist Mbaka issue started on social media. That is why all the Indian women and Abuzi are against Evangelist Mbaka today. And that is why Matthias Mbaka face Evangelist Mbaka. Without Evangelist Mbaka, Matthias can never face Evangelist Mbaka. When they got him arrested at Abuja, what did he wrote on his statement? That none or Evangelist Mbaka was away, Choya. But we anka, onye ọ na-agwakwara onwe ya Mbaka ọ sị na ọ na-agwa his dad ukwu. You know? And you guys are telling me rubbish. Ona no na nwanne na anya some of you have a more cow self. See, I talk mad sometimes mad engineer back or me shalaye. I didn't say epawagisi. I don't give a fuck. You know? Oh, Keta. Yenina, Mecha. Out of nowhere. Out of nowhere. Evangelist Mbaka knew always respect for Mbaka till the end. Even when Anna Ogana Cho relocate. He says some certain things that he can't go here because his favorite person is here. He can't go here because his favorite person is here. That's why he only choose Imo State. A lot of things. Then out of nowhere, as of after one to Emeka, this one, that one. Few years ago, I think 3 years ago, and I made a video that this thing will cause a big issue. I will still look for that video and repost. I made the video that he wouldn't have said those words. Whether you like it or not, he's pointing at this person. And he knew that he shared the same fans with him, or the same followers. They have the same followers. Okay, we could see him, but Jack on. I made this video like that and I posted it on my page. I think 3 or 4 years ago. Some people are now Tamka crackers biscuit. Some of you said, leave this one, leave that one. I understand the fact that some of you are daft. Hello?
Hello.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Thank you, man.
I'm on live. Check and pause on the live. You know, I made that video that this thing will cause issue. What are we facing today? Oh, that speech. All the Enugu Adoration members, the reason how they are Evangelist Mbaka arrange. Gaga got it because of na daddy has no name arrange. Nothing more. Nothing more. Ijo had the reason how they are Evangelist Mbaka fake. This one, that one, that one, that one. Haga singing not because of daddy hakuru. Before that, none of them now Evangelist Mbaka fake or arrange. Even Haneso na anuso ndi ekperime omenala buzi eziokwu na ndi omenala ogoge ahụ about the minister and ndi dibia, especially I think 2022, I think 22 or 221, when all the native doctor gang against Evangelist Ebuka and Zion ministry, all of them. Okay, and the native doctor is the one that on social media. There's the one that on social media. And what's going on now? Oh, guy who hit the very high. It is hey begi ka onions. Mwano mbole ka burgo picture. Ejeni hwaro say ana na ezuzu ebu ebu nke me send them a WhatsApp na church. On the case why ejeni ne ja report to mama water. We did all those things then. And now some of you raped us here from nowhere to be making issue, unnecessary issue. You can't even say the truth. I don't have problem with anybody. I have never insulted Father Mbaka as far as I'm concerned. He's the person I respect so much. But it doesn't stop the fact that I can't say, Mba, you could take your side that. In the sense that now, Christianity in general, and shake. A lot of people are losing faith. Saying you see this one, that one. We don't need all those fights within ourselves. If I don't know we better than our government, open get booked outside. So that those people will capitalize on it. You know? Some of you no that DI. That you. I don't have issue with him or anybody. I don't have issue. If you guys, those of you priests that always talk to me, call me, tell me about this one, that one, tell me about neighbor, discussing with me on WhatsApp on this whole thing, happy menka. Start from grassroots. Because the truth of the whole matter is that, let me tell you guys, let me be sincere with you. I can't come on this social media. Mfumo ban share, ebe had you online. Now drag Evangelist Ebuka unnecessary. And you expect me to keep quiet. I can't. I can never do it. So if you guys want peace, you should start from grassroots. Cut access to everything. You know? Let me capitalize on right up Father Tony. There na comment that I'm the problem. Oh, because there, something like that. I'm the problem. I should, you know. If you are writing to me, also write to them. And a lot of bloggers now, ikuku bloggers, bloggers. Hana atam crackers biscuit every time. To make it worse, I didn't tag him. How much useless video? How tag him? A lot of videos. This is yesterday, 2 days ago. Asinam go on to the main car. Oh, in case no Monaco Zion na on to. Oh, in case no ego in keji dupum. Oh, they are saying a lot of things. The other one is threatening me. Oh yeah, menka. But Emma, if I want to do something to you, if I want to do you something, I won't say it. Because I want to be a novice. Or by kunkum or haginisi. Kiman abom onye ya put on social media and you cho. Man, I analyze that digi. Who are you? Who are you? In a be kuku ebe ne kuku. In a puara. You keep your phone on social media. Ibande no go social media or go Christianity are not there for you guys. Imande no ga. If some of you will tell yourself the truth. Now you are talking when I'm talking. This thing is my major issue with all those reverend fathers. Right from day one, they can constitute nuisance on Facebook. When all this shit was very high, nothing like a miracle, nothing like Christianity. If you go a reverend father, or potassic, nothing like a miracle. I saw this one on a Gambia. Last, I don't know if it's 3 days ago or 2 days ago. I saw his post. Also discussing about miracle, nothing like miracle, this one, that one. They don't go to prayer, seeking for miracle, menka. Meanwhile, in a gossip code, you know, Bunyan, and I see Jesus, this one. Case your miracle, all these things is just to get at Evangelist Ebuka. Her name is you her up. The video of Father Mwebejo, look at what she said, or what he was saying, calling on Reverend Fathers that we stop for movement here. No one has stopped for movement here. Can you imagine? Now God sent him. I say God attack. If we didn't stop this movement in days to come, problem garden. And some of you and I see Evangelist Ebuka Father Mbaka, others. If all these prisons on Facebook will not constitute nuisance, also. Because Evangelist Ebuka have never come out to drag somebody or to talk to somebody direct. The only thing or share his a bit side of story regarding maybe a burger or not be an office or something, or gang up. This one, that one. If you guys will tell yourself the truth, you guys know the architect of all this problem. You guys know him. If you want to tell yourself the truth, you tell yourself the truth. You guys knew him. What put sentiment aside sometimes? If my dad, my biological dad, sometimes when I'm saying, "Now you met a school in car, you met a school in Kobuna, Kosiko said, you know, a bruisey outsider. What are you saying? You think if Evangelist Ebuka is always coming on social media, that I can't address Evangelist Ebuka one day or privately? It's not good no one apota name I say officer Fancha, I see this one, that I can't come out one day say that na or this one that only get see it here. You know? All of you will just say, you need a photo no you are white, no sent call. No story madness send them with evidence. No nita. Father na tire. Father na chete which own want to mother plan or set the father up or with them everything post on social media. When my father was sent. A girl was telling me send chat everything. That father na chi do apple or Jubia no chemo or virgin. Or say I'm not virgin, no one on ata. If I like you know, you Refuting name on board now. If I'm a bad person, I will plan everything or send my men over there in Onitsha, organize everything. I'm going to call me a cash. Come buy now. Unwane fin and the father in a virgin, asking virgin, Busente, Burunka, Abronka. Most of them be confused. Forget. Most of them need the serious prayer. Why they may have to wuru their jealousy with all that mopped on social media. Instead, some of you try to call them to order. Unana say, don't talk to priest of God. Don't talk to this one. Don't talk to that one. Anyhow. The Catholic Church. That's Asia. How many times can Burgu exactly all these things in the between Evangelist Ebuka and the Father in Nigeria? Discuss all with my parish priest. Say my this thing or the proper. Or say no. That the most important thing, all those souls. That's in those priests that are here. Or say that the most important thing, those souls in our ministry. Problem na because everywhere. Same here than Kaji came. Somebody like me, I know what the problem is. Oka Mobejo in a bakwa. Na business Saga. Ndị America adịghị eme nka ọrahụ n'okpuru bridge omenka ojikwa maazị omenka nke emeho. For you to see that is part of business. Omechasi no Chineke zidia. O since ụmụnwaanyị America pịawa ya azụ. Obiazi they come the lawyer. Ya people say pass na United States nwonyi na. Say I want to I challenge Evangelist Mbaka to do this one. I don't do it. I've done my own. The Reverend Father, like seriously? I'm just trying to respond to idiot when I get mine they enter for them back up man. Make una no make me talk with you, I no want talk. Who na make una ko he na cho hiku. Oh yeah, that is the reason why Christianity is here today. That is the reason why Aruji can't come to church today. Ana kunshi na janime church. Our father ebukuna nka. I put some messages and I was angry, you know, because all this. So I'm sorry for you. Rest in peace. Rest in peace to your unfortunate father. Rest in peace to your mama. Rest in peace to your children. Rest in peace to all your generation. You know, go die well. If you do want to ask him, I'm sorry for you. R.I.P. That R.I.P. Gebugi. Okay, like. Is how you know when they hear you? I hear you, hey. And I say RIP because of my own opinion. Chineke Mbaka, idiot. Most of you are on your own page. Now rant. Now they your own opinion. Nobody will counter you. I've never commented on any of their pages. I've never done that before. I allow them to do their thing. Chance. The reason why I was doing all this video yesterday and day before yesterday is because Canada on holiday. All like today normal working day and me on social media. They have been doing a lot, saying a lot. You can imagine some of all these village boys. If not Evangelist Mbaka, this boy, or the audacity for me. I don't blame you guys anyways, because I love many of you, they feel you can humble. Now, those type of Christian, in our quack anyhow. Equama can go 2 by 2, power this year as a Christian. As I dare like this, let's say that's the church, but a blue Bible. If you move to the Bible, I'm calling him my coge, the Bible. You can't use all those teaching we call you because I've seen people do so much on those teaching and everything. Today, I no hondo. Able for her. Or do to too calm. If you are doing it, good for you. Oh no, get mere bere. Oh yeah, now trying to I form the thing self. The only law couldn't with yourself that all these things has to do with Adoration, Enugu, and Father Mbaka. If not, I know what to say. I don't want to analyze. I want entertainment. I want windows. I want internet. No be ja. My own. blogging or internet, whatever. I started from radio station professionally. People that knew me from day one can tell. You know? Everything from Enugu. Is it because sometimes I need for all those things, Anya? Here we are now.
We're all set. Let's go.
The only thing I want to say is that I don't have issue with anybody. I don't have issue with anybody. And I've never insulted Father Mbaka. Because even sometimes when I watch all this bunch of illiterates, all these useless people, they will arrest you. I could laugh them. He gave me my ref now, all the jealous. He gave me my arrest that I'm saying my own opinion. Okay, am I you know? Now watch all the idiot na tag the other lady on Abuja. I'm one of them. They should she should arrest me or invite me. The other one say, why? Because you call her a bookie wife. Okay, calling somebody a bookie wife is offense. Do you know the meaning of a bookie in the Hausa language? Most of you idiot. Facebook just no privilege. Una would you see ba na rubbish. Di Chineke buru ọnụ. My hazard light is on. My hazard light the on. Nwa Abueze. Hazard light him the on. Thank you for that. I'm going already. So I just want to, because I'm a member or not, I can't even do this video. Some of you Reverend Fathers need the room. Mandin kena pom na phone. Mandin kena chat na WhatsApp. Often the evangelists. Oh, you can say forget ya. Etinoku Father Mbaka on this one, that one. Kaji ben kemeho. Oh yeah, Mary Jime Bienoka today. You know, the only thing I want to tell you guys is that if you guys want this whole issue on social media regarding Zion Ministry and the Adoration Ministry, you have to tackle it from grassroots. Nkokura dig enough. When I said he's too old for all these things, some people are not equity. Nkokura dig enough. Ke anako di herself. Give you anako. Anachiko tachiko na achisa. Ama mo da attack ndi dibia na ndi eze nwanyị gbarum oge akara anu ụmụ ihe Christianity a. Few years ago, I'm going to on social media. You must attack him in the face, yoga. Cause up to who Christianity. Where are you all? Kita o makarogwa unu nchaline ban on social media. Onye ona kwuru iya the quite 1000 Russia na apia. I told you guys, don't come to me. Because if you come to me, I will give you trouble. If you come to me, I give you trouble. Una nona na mi be una papa, na mi be una father for this social media. I know what to say now. Una go talk tire. I know what to write. I know what to say on my video. I warn you all, don't come to me. Ndeke ikuku first son, we ikuku second son, we ikuku last born, we ikuku this one. Una ka do na derum rubbish. And I address that dig. That dig na cho he kwai romu. Believe you guys, those of you writing to me, I'm not trying to disrespect you guys. I mean the priests right now and some men of God over there in Onitsha, you know. But the thing is that, like I said, if you guys, it's not by coming to my inbox to tell me leave this matter, this one, which matter. I'm just trying to analyze. I didn't even say anything on that video. I'm just trying to analyze and add my own opinion and nothing more. But when you talk about this whole issue, if you want to tackle this whole issue, start from grassroots. When you are writing to me, also write to Mikuku first son, Mikuku second son, Mikuku third son, Mikuku last born, TV, Hana Zagasi, nonsense after Hana Zagasi, more mature bloggers. We came from Uptada Korobish. Afum Nkedeka Boki, Jim name video, ne threaten moi that you come for me. Look in, look unwena na. In fact, I don't get a for Evangelist Ebuka. Because so Evangelist Ebuka mere mada kamo. If not, Chenamunu na call here Christianity or Kana Emenka. Send the Aragon Aza Wagira na Piagi has his appear mother, Monagano or the same level. In a threat, one can I warn that I told you. Nkija from on Facebook on social media.